Welcome to Mylemarks. Discover a website with hundreds of creative and engaging therapy resources designed exclusively for the kids and teens that you serve. Join the thousands of therapists, school counselors, social workers, and providers from all over the world who choose Mylemarks.com as their destination for hands-on therapeutic resources for kids and teens. Topics include anger, anxiety, self-esteem, bullying, social skills, and more. Browse through our catalog of over 500 colorfully illustrated therapy worksheets, classroom guidance presentations, digital and physical workbooks, interactive games and activities, children's books, social-emotional learning videos, and dozens of free downloads. The process is straightforward and no membership is required. You simply find the resources, add them to the cart, and they become available for download immediately after purchase. So whether you're planning ahead or prepping for the client that's sitting in your waiting room, visit Mylemarks today and get the tools that you need to have your best session yet.